Earning money online is nothing new, and when it comes to the internet, there are many ways in which you can do it. You don't even need to pay for expensive ads or work for others. You can be your boss and start earning cash from home quickly and easily with proven methods that anyone can use. Whatever your goals are, whether you want to earn an extra income or build your wealth, these websites are available worldwide, making it easy to start earning money immediately. Got an extra minute? Well, you can turn that extra time into cash and you won't even need to do much. In this video, we'll show you how you can earn over $500 a day with one of these sites. How cool is that? I know you can't wait to know and try these websites yourself, so hang on tight and make sure to watch till the end of the video. Welcome to Money Anytime, where we share money-making tips and tricks through online means. The methods and ideas that we will share are guaranteed up-to-date and surely doable at home, so you can earn money anytime. So if that's what you are looking for, don't hesitate to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so that you'll be the first to know what next money-generating trick we have got up our sleeves. You can also leave a comment below if you've got questions or other methods that you want to learn about. But for now, let's go back to the video. Our first website can help take your mind off the hustle and bustle of life for a while and have fun during your extra time. This site is called getpaidto.com. Users can join from any part of the world on this platform. You can rack up your points by doing a variety of different tasks, which is the basic premise of this site. For every 5,000 points you earn, they'll give you $1 in cash. Playing games, viewing videos, and filling out surveys are just some of the simple things you may do here on this site. For instance, if you're looking for a place to play some games, you can do so without spending any money here. When you're done with the games, you'll receive the points you earned and be able to use them just like cash. Making money on this site is simple. All you have to do is watch videos and promotional offers while browsing this site or interact with advertisements. They will pay you for each click you make. In addition to the games, you can also participate in additional surveys. They combine all the paid surveys you can take part in from different companies into one convenient location. You can use this strategy to make money with less effort by making use of an auto-clicker, which will help you complete multiple surveys in an instant. What do you think of the video so far? Comment below to tell us what you think. I appreciate you guys interacting with us, and I will do my best to reply to every single one of your comments. In the meantime, let's go back to the video. Another awesome app where you can earn online is Money SMS. If you are an Android phone user, you can download this easily. This free Android app offers a potential avenue for automating your income through simple SMS alerts. There are no initial or ongoing costs associated with using this software to begin earning money online immediately. You are going to get paid for every single text message that you get. You can simply accept the text, delete it later, and still get paid without doing anything with it beyond accepting it. The concept is straightforward. As soon as you start making money, it will show up in your balance, and you may withdraw it as soon as you want using any of the different payment methods available in your country. More than 3 million texts have been sent out, with over 71,000 euros distributed to people across the world. You can also earn 30% of your friends' earnings if you refer them to this program. For example, if you refer this individual and they wind up making $100, you get 30% of that. And that's $30 in your pocket with zero effort on your part. Again, the program may be easily downloaded at moneysmsapp.com. Simply opting in to get Money SMS text messages is a fantastic way to passively generate income. Before we get into our third website, please take a moment to subscribe to this channel and give it a big thumbs up if you like the video so far. Please share your thoughts on this video in the comments section if you find it helpful. If you want to earn a daily commission of $300 a day, 5-minute profit pages is your go-to. Our third site is fantastic because it is so simple to use. In just a few clicks, you can generate revenue-generating web pages that sell themselves. Before we can get started, you need to visit the 5-minute profit pages. Just type in 5-minute profit pages in your browser. Then click the first one that shows up. As soon as you log into the app, all you have to do is enter your affiliate links. To activate the system, just click on Step 2. The third step will enable you to receive your daily commission. No selling, no offering referrals, no closing deals, and no technical knowledge required. There are only 2 simple actions required to complete everything. My experience with 5-minute profit pages has yielded the following results. My username appears at the very top, right next to my daily, weekly, and monthly earnings summaries. I only need 2 simple actions to accomplish the same result. Let's take a look at an example in which they present the predicted average commission for a large list of different products. Every day, I can promote these things and earn commissions. With just 2 clicks, I can create a professional-looking sales page in under 5 minutes with 5-minute profit pages. Copies of your affiliate links are the first order of business. If you want to advertise this product, for instance, you may get your affiliate link by clicking here. Next, go back to 5-minute profit pages, paste the affiliate link into the system, and hit Activate System to start receiving commissions automatically. This is a method that even newbies can use to get results in line with these. No need to build a website or pay for traffic. Money is literally working for you. How are these sites working for you so far? Leave your thoughts in the comment section below. We love to get some insights from our viewers. Let's move on to the 4th money-making site called Cash Karma. This app is exciting because you can get paid by simply playing games or completing surveys. You can install the app from the Google Play Store for Android users and the Apple App Store for iOS users. An excellent feature of the Cash Karma app is that new users earn $3 in free money just for downloading and installing the app. This is equivalent to 300 points, which can be redeemed for cash. Cash Karma points can be redeemed through PayPal Cash or Amazon gift cards. Registering with the site and checking in once each day will qualify you to free money and gift cards. If you complete more surveys, they will reward you extra for checking in and logging in. In this app, you can unlock different badges by completing different challenges. You could do things like taking surveys, watching videos, playing games, completing offers, and more. The possibilities are endless. Still enjoying the video? Tap that subscribe button and hit the notification bell to make sure you don't miss out on our future uploads. We are working on more money-making tips for you, but we still have more to share with you, so let's get right into it. To wrap up our list, another awesome site we found that is great to earn some extra cash is AdWallet. All you have to do is go to adwallet.com, sign up for free, fill in some information, and you'll be notified when an ad is available. Easy, right? Basically, advertisers pay AdWallet to promote their ads on the site, and that is where you step in. You get to watch ads ranging from 20 to 45 seconds each, and then you need to answer some questions correctly just to make sure you've watched it till the end. You can earn up to $3 per ad, and withdrawals can begin once your balance reaches $10. They don't use any kind of point system and pay you in cash straight away. There is no catch or other trick involved. Cash withdrawals are being made using various worldwide payment options by people from all around the world. Have you ever heard of AutoClicker? It is an extension that you could add to your Chrome browser, and it would make your life a little bit easier when filling out surveys. Really helpful for survey options for these sites in our video today. So why not give it a try? You'll save more time and earn more money. We won't be ending this video just yet. As a way of saying thank you, I have a bonus site for you since you got this far. This amazing app is called Affiliate List Bot. It is not free, but it is very helpful in your affiliate marketing journey. Go to your web browser and type in affiliatelistbot.com. From there, just scroll down a little bit and then tap this button that says, "Click here to get started now." As a newcomer, you may get started right away because the ads are free and you don't need a large social media following. You can generate money through the promotion of various ClickBank goods with their help. From what you can see, my ClickBank marketplace is stocked with a wide variety of high-quality offerings, perfect for promoting. With Affiliate List Bot's help, you can set up multiple sites automatically and begin earning money from ClickBank in no time. They will help you market the site's numerous offerings without you lifting a finger. guaranteeing a steady stream of passive income. These are just a few examples of the success stories people are having with the done-for-you tool on ClickBank. Making over $576 a day with auto commissions from affiliate networks is now possible with the help of this app. You get back more of what you paid for. And that's it for today's video. I hope you get to try all of these sites and start earning money while enjoying how easily it's done. Share your experiences in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. If you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to please subscribe and hit the notification bell if you haven't yet to make sure you don't miss out on any of our future content. Good luck and see you in our next video.